It is the next day. I am trying to make me some tea. In a microwave. I drank this peppermint tea. It's so good. It's me going in the morning. So yesterday was nothing less than amazing. Really enjoyed the dinner, sunset, fireworks, cruise. Would definitely recommend it. We'll insert videos of the fireworks and just additional videos of the cruise throughout this vlog. But right now it's raining. We wanted to go play tennis this morning. If y'all can see, it's raining right now. We did want to go out and play tennis, but I'm sure it'll slack up a little later and we'll be able to go out and turn the camera around for y'all. It's still pretty, just overcast and raining right now. So yeah, if any of you have ever done the dinner sunset cruise down here in Destin, please feel free, comment below. Let me know what your experience was. The food was amazing. I had the Creole chicken with asparagus and mashed potatoes, and they had the boneless short rib with mashed potatoes and asparagus. We started off with a salad, and then we ended with cheesecake for dinner. It was real good. Now with the cruise, it comes with tea, water, and coffee, I believe. That's included in your overall price. Now, they do have a bar on board that you can purchase drinks. Most drinks are like $15 and up. We did both purchase a drink. I had the dragon fruit margarita. Let me check out my water for my tea. I had the dragon fruit margarita, and they had a hurricane. They both were really, really good. Oh, I left my water in here too long. But yeah, both were really, really good. So let's set you all up right here. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I mean, it was great. The MC was great. Music selection was great. We got up, we danced, did a few line dances. It was just really great, y'all. My tea is piping hot, so I'm gonna have to let this cool. It's definitely gonna have to cool for a while. But yeah, it was a really good time. Today, we're just kind of gonna go with the flow. We don't know exactly what all we're gonna do today, but hopefully this rain goes away and the sun comes out so we can still get some good weather. We may just explore the resort today because it's pretty big. So there's also like a transit bus that'll take you from different areas here. This is a resort. This tells you all the different places you can go. It is huge. So we're staying at Bay Club of Destin. It's like 4 pools here. They have tennis court, they have golf course. It's like 15 restaurants here on the property. It's a lot to do here. A whole lot to do here. So if the rain lets up, we'll probably just go out and explore or whatever. So you also, with staying here at this property, you have free beach parking access, which is awesome because y'all, I hate looking for a park for public beach parking. It's so hard because a lot of times they're so full. So cool. We got out of bed. Tell people good morning.
I was out of bed before you.
Well, you got back in. Tell them good morning back up. They can't see you.
Good morning. Well, yeah, the light is very bright. Good morning, y'all.
Yeah, so I was just telling them about the resort, the stuff that we can do here.
Yeah, there's a ton of stuff. Did you tell them about the train?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. So,
got a little bit of rain right now.
I know.
The sunrise.
Play tennis.
The sunrise was beautiful early this morning, but the rain started rolling.
I was asleep, y'all. I didn't even feel him get out of bed. I was tired.
The rain rolled in about maybe 45 minutes ago.
Okay.
But I feel like it's good because maybe it'll temper the atmosphere and we won't have to deal with any rain later today.
Hey you guys, so Jack just got back with our food from
Maple Street Biscuit Company.
Yes.
Hello, beautiful people.
So this is the bag. It has his name on it. We're sitting out on the deck. So this is everything that we ordered.
And this is going to be good for two reasons, y'all. One, because the smells were intoxicating in the car. And then two, the line was stretching out of the building to get in the restaurant. So I got high hopes for this. Let's pop this open. Alright. I think I see your pepper jelly in here.
Yeah, so I got some
And your strawberries.
pepper jelly that's kind of melted because probably it was so hot. Got a side of strawberries because I wanted some fruit this morning.
Let's see. This is my bacon,
Got some bacon, which looks really good.
which you will inevitably ask for a piece of.
I will.
My barbecue sauce.
I don't know what you got that for. He might.
And then these are my hash browns and my chicken biscuit.
Oh, it looks good.
Smells amazing.
I didn't get any ketchup. I didn't get no ketchup.
I can get it open.
These are my hash browns. And I got a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Oh, it looks delicious. That's everything. My strawberries so y'all can see.
Looks very fresh.
They are very fresh. So these are the little hash browns.
That is delicious.
They are really good. They were called, what were these? Smash browns. These are our smash browns. Y'all, we gotta get us a tripod. This is our first vlog, so.
Baby steps.
Yeah.
Bacon is good, but it's fried a little harder than I would like.
Just a small piece. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, these strawberries are so good.
There you go, sweet.
Thank you. So the rain has cleared up, you guys. It's no longer raining. The sun is peeping out. So I don't know if the tennis courts are concrete or dirt. So that'll determine. I would like to get on out and go play tennis while it's cool out. It's not piping hot. So possibility we might get on out. And if they said we're gonna explore the resort today, you guys, show you all around. So we'll check back in with you all after we eat. Yeah, so I love the outdoors. It's a little squirrel. Trying to zoom in so y'all can see. Where he at? Oh, y'all see him? Let's get up. Y'all be patient with my camera skills. Yeah, I see him in there eating the acorn. He tearing it up too. That's so cute. It must be good. Good breakfast. I guess it's a squirrel. I really don't. I can't see. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, baby, it's tearing that acorn up and it doesn't stand a chance. Hey y'all, so we are back in the car. Actually headed to the beach. I'm gonna flip y'all around.
I don't think that was...
Y'all around so y'all can see. So yeah, we headed to the beach. This is still our resort area. Instead of taking a trolley, we decided to drive. This is a very nice area. Like, it's beautiful. It's like a nice little pond. Somebody down there fishing. People are playing golf.
This is the mini golf place.
Here's the mini golf place. How much does it cost to do that mini golf?
I don't know. We can stop over there.
Yeah.
You want to go there first or the beach first?
We go to the beach first. I got my bathing suit on. I don't want to have on clothes, or at least some shorts.
Understood.
And I didn't bring any. So yeah, y'all. Everything is going so far so good. We'll just do this to get to the beach, and I'm gonna bring my scrunchie with me because yeah. And I got my wifey towel.
Hi.
I'm gonna let y'all talk to him so he can show y'all my bathing suit and everything.
Okay,
Once we get out.
So y'all know that my babe look beautiful, right? And she over here, let's go flip the camera.
We gotta get the chairs.
They're in the back seat.
Okay.
She over here shining like the sky.
So let's check the fit. We got a River Dragon shirt.
Wrap the strap. Wrap the dragons.
So my little braids, basketball shorts if you move your thing.
soon to be 2023 World Series champions.
Yeah.
You have her rocking the lime green cover up with the black swimsuit. Huh? And the bride bag. Can't forget the bride bag. Looking beautiful as ever. As we make our way to the beach.
Okay, y'all. So we are walking to the beach.
We were initially walking the wrong way.
Yeah. So we had to turn around. But
Hi.
we're going the right direction now. So I'm so excited to be going to the beach.
Yep.
We came down here in March. No, April. Yeah.
Right after I got back from the Masters.
April, spring break. And it was well needed after his trip. So and then
Just like this.
it's just like with this trip. As soon as we get back in town, he has to go to Nashville to cover
SEC Media Days.
SEC Media Days. So we're gonna enjoy. Definitely gonna enjoy. Y'all, so we have made it.
You okay?
I don't like walking in my flip flops. Y'all, the sands are so white here.
Well, yeah, I could probably do the same.
See the water. Oh, they got some water stuff out there you can do. That's cool. There's a lot of people out here. Let's go this way. There's some bars out here. Yeah, how are you? What we staying, baby?
The St. Destin Bay Club.
Go down to the yellow hut and they'll hook you up with chairs and umbrellas for hotel guests all on the side.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You too.
Yeah, chairs. Go down by the water. There's plenty of space by the water.
Okay.
Everybody always looks at the back instead of the front.
So we get complimentary chairs. That's good to know for next time.
Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all, so I decided to voice over this part. The waves were so loud. So we finally made it to the beach. It is so nice out here. It is crowded out here, but it's definitely a nice vibe going. The wind is blowing, the sun is shining. It's not too hot, so we're definitely gonna enjoy this moment. As you all can see, they do have quite a few like water inflatables out in the water. I can't go out there because I don't know how to swim, which I'll hopefully be learning how to swim very, very soon. But other than that, it's a lot to do out here. They also have jet skis that you can rent out here. You can rent jet skis. It's some bars on the beach. You can walk up, get some drinks. So we're just gonna chill out here for a while. After leaving here, we really don't have any plans set in stone. We're just really going with the flow. considering the fact that we had been on schedule with everything for the wedding, you know, having to be here at this time, having to be there at that time. So we're really just want to use this trip for relaxation and just enjoying each other's time alone. So we're just going to chill out here and then we'll catch back up with you guys soon. Hey y'all, so we are back in the car. We have on our shirts that were honeymoon gifts, baby. Move your
Oh, sorry.
See, mine says queen, his one and only, and his says king, her one and only.
'Cause
My
she is my
aunt
queen.
got us these nice. My aunt and my uncle got us these nice shirts for honeymoon to wear.
Shout out.
Shout out to Auntie Dale and Uncle Rob. So right now, they is not ready to eat yet. And I need a snack. I just cannot go without eating all day. So
Don't want her getting hangry on me.
we about to stop by Chick-fil-A, get me like some little fries, and then we're gonna go do a mini golf course. And then we'll do dinner at this Mexican restaurant that is so good here, y'all. And then after that we'll do a Blacklight mini golf course that I think would be cool. So yeah, so that's on the agenda right about now.
Oh, you haven't shown them the area in the day.
So this is the area that we're living in. It has
Multiple
golf courses. Y'all, this area is so nice. So we were gonna give y'all a tour of the resort today, but it's been raining on and off, as you see. So
Maybe tomorrow.
we'll get that in for you all tomorrow. That's a nice little fountain over there. But this is the whole area. That's the bay. Baby,
Sorry.
you need to be focused on the road, not the camera. That is the bay area. You see these people riding bikes. They got a bike rental thing over here.
That was really cheap.
Yeah, they're like $15.
$15, $20.
Yeah, it's not much to rent at all. So, yeah.
Some cars are quiet.
So that's a little transit right there that'll take you different places. Which is good. Like if you're flying in, you'll have transportation around the area. It even takes you to the outlet. It'll take you to the outlet, the beach. I want to say it had like Winn-Dixie.
But those are like the only places that takes you off the property.
And I think Walmart. I saw Walmart on the map also. But yeah, they'll take you around. Let's see, there it is right there saying Destin. All right, y'all. So I know I said we were going to Chick-fil-A, but the line was so long, I just was not willing to wait. So I ended up grabbing a little snack from Whataburger. I just got me a kid's meal that came with a fry and a cheeseburger to hold me over to lunch. It's the melting pot. They have date night on Thursday. We might do that tomorrow. We gotta decide.
They got an Axe House over here too. Right next to them.
Oh, Axe House. We can go axe throwing.
Are we really gonna get a spot right in front?
And this is where we're going.
And we got a spot right in front.
Yes, we got a good part up.
I knew you was gonna cheat.
I think I want lime green today.
I'm shocked. Thank you.
Right.
I'm loving these shirts.
Thank you.
May I say fabulous nails?
Thank
They're
you.
on point. Thank you.
Let's see.
Miss Destin is going to get the card for you. You get after this year, okay?
Okay, thank
We're going to
you.
have about a 10 to 10 minute wait, okay, to start.
Okay.
So you know.
Thank you. So, we made it inside. We have our golf ball. He's blue today. I'm lime green. I want to do something different. It's gonna be a good time.
You took everything.
Alright, y'all. So we on hole 14. It's so nice to hear y'all.
And we just got our fourth hole where we both got twos.
Yeah. Baby, smile. Say hello.
Hi.
Get the I got it in. Last one, y'all. So you got 3? All right, baby. Yay!
Skin of my teeth, I got 40 on the dot.
Oh, yeah. How does it feel? What you got?
39.
Woo, 59, 39, y'all. I got blowed out. How does it feel?
25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35. Oh, correction, I got 40.
Okay, 40 on the dot. Leave your club, babe.
Oh, can I put my glove on?
Who's going first?
And then,
I got 40 on the dot.
You got 40 on the dot?
What's today's date?
Today is, I don't know. Ask
What's
him.
today's date, sir? Today,
I think it's the 12th.
12.
Yeah. My day is all over the place. Good job, man.
Oh, gotta put one on phone.
Do you like trash?
For you.
He has a couple free games on us for being a champion.
All right.
We'll use that before we leave.
Thank you. Good job, baby. Let me. I am. I'm gonna take you a picture.
No, I want to take a picture of it.
Okay. Well, make sure you send it to me. I'm gonna record you putting it up there.
Oh,
Yes, you did. How does it feel?
feels great. I won twice this week.
Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all, so we finna go over to the arcade side. Excuse me. Just to see what it looks like over here. And they won us a free little arcade card.
No, this is for 2 free games.
Oh, 2 free games.
Yeah, of mini golf.
No, it's the arcade game part.
I think that's what is loaded on you.
No, he said
I'm gonna ask
have
him
some
this.
free games.
No, he said 2 free games. I'm gonna ask him.
Y'all, pray for me. This game. I got nails on.
There it is.
Y'all, I lost.
She be saying that she could beat me in these games.
Y'all see how hard he had to work to beat me? Y'all see this sweat on his forehead?
she thinks she can beat me.
So this is a little arcade area, y'all.
Yes.
It's on the other side. Just some little games.
I think we got a little bit left. You want to do some more skee ball or plinko or? I'll let you do this.
We're gonna play Plinko.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
No, you gotta wait.
Let's see what I win.
20 like me. Alright, we got 1 game left.
What you wanna play? Wanna try to get some more tickets?
Let's play again.
Y'all, we're gonna try to get some tickets out of here. Come on, baby, you got it.
Select between second row and versus row. Game starts with exciting music. Inside ball launches by hitting the basketball shot.
Alright. Almost. That's alright.
Let's go cash out.
Let's see how many tickets we done got. We can do a patch of Sour Patch. I want a green apple dum dum.
Okay. So a pack of Sour Patch. Which ones? The watermelon or the regular?
The tropical.
Okay.
All right, hey y'all. So we just left the Blacklight Mini Golf Rainforest. So now we're headed to get something to eat. We're going to this Mexican restaurant. What's the name of it?
El Jalisco.
El Jalisco, and it is delicioso. It's so good, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all our food. It's so good. So good. Last time we came, they had like live entertainment. So I'm looking forward to seeing. We came on a weekend night, but today is a Wednesday, and normally a lot of Mexican restaurants do have specials on Wednesday. So I'm excited to see what they may have going on today. And we are good and hungry.
Yep, worked up an appetite at playing mini golf in the arcade.
Yes, that was a lot of fun. I would definitely recommend. I love mini golf, putt golf, any type of putt golf. I do enjoy it. I really like that one because it was indoors. Even though the outside ones are nice as well, but not so nice when it's hot. Today is not hot, but it's raining on and off.
And muggy.
And muggy. Yeah, it's very humid out here. So, as y'all can probably tell by my hair, it's very humid outside. But, it's something good to do as a couple. You can do it as a family. You can do it by yourself. You know, if it's something you enjoy doing. So, I would definitely recommend going back.
In a quarter mile, turn right at Regions Way.
With him scoring 40 points or less.
40 on the dot.
Yeah, he had 40 on the dot. Y'all, he barely made it.
Barely made it.
But you get to sign your ticket, stick it on this board. You put like your name, where you're from, and
take
then,
the next right at Regions Way, then turn left onto Legendary Drive.
A gift card for the arcade for 10 free games. So that was fun. We were able to rack up a few little points, get some candy.
Take the next left onto Legendary Drive, then turn right.
So we are basically here at the restaurant. I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see.
Stopping me from bragging about making the Hall of Champions.
Okay, anyway, y'all, we done made it to the restaurant. We got some chips.
Don't speak with your mouth full.
And salsa. I think you get a margarita.
I'll be right back with your drink.
No problem, thank you. That's our server.
And no, they have so many different flavors.
Let me see what. They have a lot more drinks than when we came here last time.
They have a swirl margarita that's like with lime margarita and homemade sangria. I think that's something I might want to try. But then they also have like a margarita flight where you can pick 4 flavors of margarita.
They're working on it in your masala sticks, okay?
Awesome.
Just let me know when you are ready, okay?
You ready to order?
How does the 2 times 1 work?
The 2 for 1. We have frozen and on the rocks. You pay one, you get one free.
Okay.
And then ask her about the margarita flight.
How much is
Just
the
the
flight?
regular margaritas.
Okay. How much is the margarita flight?
Do you want a margarita flight?
How much is it?
$25.
$25, and you get 4.
Yes. It's peach, mango, I think watermelon and lime. Gracias. Mozzarella.
What you want to do? How much is one margarita?
I think it's 13.
30?
13.
Okay. You want a margarita?
Not really.
You don't really want one?
No, I was gonna get a
I'll drink both of them. I said he don't want one. I'll drink both of them. Let me start off with a. Do you have to bring them both out at the same time? Do you have to bring them both out at the same time?
No.
Okay. Let me do mango.
Mango frozen or on the rocks?
Frozen, and can I get it with a sugar in?
Sugar? Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
These are good.
They good. So we just ordered some mozzarella sticks, y'all.
I didn't know how cool it was.
Just to let you know when you're ready, okay? Take your time.
So this is the menu, y'all. They have a huge menu. It's huge, y'all. I'm trying to think, what did I get last time?
I have no idea.
I had it's them nachos Lenny had. I think I had just got shrimp quesadillas last time. But I want what Lenny had. The nachos is humongous. So you get 2 margaritas for the price of one. Ooh, baby.
Yes, you can.
I can do that.
Yes.
Okay. That's what I want.
Okay, nachos de Jalisco with rice, no chips.
No chips.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
and for you, sir?
Yes, can I get a chicken and steak fajita?
Chicken and a steak fajitas with flour or tortillas?
What has been your favorite part of this trip so far?
Dinner cruise, without a doubt.
Yeah, y'all, the dinner cruise was awesome.
Like, if there's one thing I can recommend so far, the dinner cruise. Is it pricey? Yes, okay? But if you know you're coming down here, ahead of time, save up some money, treat yourself, and whoever you're coming with, do the dinner cruise. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, it's like the food was good. We didn't even get a video of the dancing. We danced.
Because we were too busy dancing.
Yeah. Yeah. But it was awesome. The food was delicious. I still got a little bit. I got some cheesecake. And I can tell all the food was cooked. Excuse me, with fresh ingredients.
Oh, and it had to be cooked. I'd be shocked if it wasn't cooked on this ship.
Yeah, it was
Yeah, like it was, no, I'm just saying it was that. You know, some places they'll cook it off site and then just bring it onto the ship. But like it was so fresh that I would be stunned if it wasn't cooked. If it was cooked anywhere else.
I think it was good on the ship. The drinks were good too. We had a nice crowd. The fireworks were beautiful.
Absolutely.
So that's been my favorite thing.
Oh yeah.
My favorite thing. We did enjoy the beach this morning.
Yeah, the beach was a lot of fun this morning. She went out as further as she's ever gone in the ocean.
Yeah.
Well, I shouldn't say ocean, the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, I went 4 hours. Normally don't really had a swimming incident as a child. Very cautious, but I'm gonna take some swimming lessons next year. But yeah, it was real nice. The waters were clear. It was a lot of people out enjoying the waves.
Just relaxing.
Yeah. I think one of the things that I love the most about their family, enjoying each other.
It's just relaxed.
Spending that quality time.
You know, like there's no drama, there's no craziness. Everybody's just kicked back, relaxed, having a good time. And I can always vibe with that.
Most definitely. I love it. Yeah. That's crazy going on because where we're from is always something crazy. So it's good to be away from all the stuff.
Exactly. In the daily grind.
Yeah. So these margaritas, they're 2 for $1. You get 2 margaritas for $13.
Yep. Which means she.
And they have to be like the regular flavors, like the lime, strawberry, peach.
How's everything?
Everything's fantastic.
They're working on it, okay?
No problem.
Thank you. So,
The attendants here are very attentive.
yeah, they're very nice, very nice. But you can get like strawberry, peach, lime,
Mango.
and watermelon for the 2 for $1 margarita. They are very strong.
You get your money's worth. And then some.
Yeah, so I'm ready for my food to come out and show y'all. I really know
I may have to carry her out of here. Between the amount of food that she's gonna eat in these margaritas, I have
in a way.
to throw you over the back and carry you out of here.
I'm gonna hold my own. But when we leave from here, there is a Sephora store nearby, and I have a Sephora gift card, and I also have a gift card that's given as a wedding gift.
That's AKA burning in her purse.
It's not burning in my purse. I want to go to a different location other than the one at home.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so we're probably gonna.
Alright, food's here.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Take a ticket.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just put that right there.
Thank you.
Makes 2 of us.
I hadn't even finished my mark. I don't even think I'm be able to finish it.
Nonetheless, the second one.
Right. I think that's it. So, oh, wow, I'm so full. I still got so much food left.
Thank God we got a microwave in the room. $7.25.
Okay, it's still early in the day. Now when we leave from here, we'll probably go to some of these stores in this area. Just to be out and then walk off some of this food.
To be functional later tonight.
We really don't have any plans
Which has been the beauty of this entire trip.
for tonight.
We've just gone with the flow.
I might go down to I'm gonna see what's going on. The boardwalk, or we might go to the marina area. Because they have big shops, clubs, different stuff down there. Might go down there and just see what they got going. Y'all later.
You got a head start. Go ahead now.
Hey y'all. So we done ate.
And stuff.
Yes. We went to Bath and Body Works, but
We should say where we are. We're in Destin Commons.
Yes, we're in Destin Commons right now. So we went to Bath and Body Works, and now we're going back to the car. Well, we went to Starbucks, but they didn't have any brownies. They didn't have any brownies last time I came down here. I guess that means I don't need them.
Like I told her, we'll get our sweets fixed when we go to Rocky Mountain in a couple days.
So, just walking. It's a nice shopping area. I'm gonna do some shopping. Get something to eat. Nice one.
And one thing I will say is that if you really make an effort, you can find some really cool restaurants here in Destin and some really good food. Like, stay away from the chains if you have to and go shop local. You won't be disappointed. Isn't that right?
Yeah, for sure. I agree. Baytown Wharf. You want to go this way?
Sure.
And it's just a lot of different places to eat, chill, get drinks, shop.
There's a concert going on right now.
Yeah. So, a lot of people are out, just enjoying the time out. So I've only been down here once, and it was like years ago, maybe about, I want to say 10 years ago, but it's been a long time.
And I've never been down here.
But it's a nice place to hang out. They also have like a carousel down here, different little stuff for kids to do.
It almost feels like you're in a different world. So far away from, the hustle and bustle of the main highway.
They have like little areas where you can do zip lining, different climbing things for kids. It's pretty cool. It's like a little mini one for the little smaller kids. So there's something to do down here for every age.
Absolutely.
I As he said, right now there is a live concert band going on.
They're doing a concert every Wednesday in July. And it just so happens to be Wednesday night when we're coming through.
Oh, there's an arcade.
And a laser maze.
Coming down. Oh yeah. This place has some really good reviews online. We might eat that in the morning.
Have a seat and breathe in the night air.
Yeah, y'all. So we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Honestly, enjoy this moment. We just wanted to bring you all along with us for a little while, but we'll see y'all in the morning.